Hello, mathematicians. Today we're going to be learning about exponents. We'll be evaluating exponents with a fraction base. To get us started, we have 4 over 5 to the power of 3. Or we could read this as 4 over 5 cubed. First, we're going to write 4 over 5 cubed as repeated multiplication in order to evaluate this. So that means that 4 over 5 cubed is equal to 4 over 5 times 4 over 5 times 4 over 5. Next, we're going to go ahead and multiply. When we're multiplying with fractions, we're going to have to multiply all our numerators to get our new numerator, and then all our denominators to get our new denominator. So, in this case, we're going to go ahead and multiply our numerators. So 4 times 4 times 4 is equal to 64. And then we're going to multiply our denominators. So 5 times 5 times 5 is equal to 125. Finally, we're going to write a numerical equation showing that 4 over 5 cubed and 64 over 125 are equivalent. All right, so let's go ahead and do another example. Here we have 2 over 3 to the power of 4. So first, we're going to write it as repeated multiplication. So 2 over 3 to the power of 4 is equal to 2 over 3 times 2 over 3 times 2 over 3 times 2 over 3. Then we're going to go ahead and solve. We're going to go ahead and multiply our numerators. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 16. Then 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 is equal to 81. So our answer here is 16 over 81. That means that 2 over 3 to the power of 4 is equal to 16 over 81. Here we have another example, which is 5 over 6 to the power of 2, or we could read this as 5 over 6 squared. The first thing we want to do is write this as a repeated multiplication. So 5 over 6 squared is equal to 5 over 6 times 5 over 6. Next, we're going to go ahead and multiply. So if we multiply our numerators, 5 times 5 is equal to 25. And if we multiply our denominators, 6 times 6 is equal to 36. So that means that 5 over 6 squared is equal to 25 over 36. Here we have our final example, which is 3 over 4 to the power of 3, or we could read this as 3 over 4 cubed. And 3 over 4 cubed is equal to 3 over 4 times 3 over 4 times 3 over 4. And then we're going to go ahead and multiply. So we're going to start off by multiplying our numerators. 3 times 3 times 3 is equal to 27. And then we're going to go ahead and multiply our denominators. So 4 times 4 times 4 is equal to 64. And finally, that means that 3 over 4 cubed is equal to 27 over 64. And that's it.